Men say only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you.
Halain mo kung saan na tayo ngayon. Happy 6th year sa'yo bilang my boyfriend today. Love. 6 years na pala mula noong nagdesisyon akong sumubok na papasukin ka sa buhay.
Don't gotta be sorry, head's a little foggy, feeling out of body again. Wake me up and call me, you know I always got it if you have something left to give.
Aminado ako sa sarili ko na sa umpisa, you are not my type. Ang kulit mo kasi. Sabi ko pa noon, puro naman to good morning. At laging nagtatanong kung anong ulam ko. Because I'm not that kind of person. I'm strong, independent woman. Hindi madaling kiligin. Maldita. Hanggang sa hindi ko na namamalayan na nahuhulong na pala ako at hinahanap ko na ang mga messages mo everyday.
Feeling out of body, wake me up and call me. I'm taking a breath so you know you got some time to write another chapter. No need to put on a show.
The church wedding and civil wedding are both legal in the church. Kaya ito ang maganda sa sakramento ng kasal, na ang pinagsama ng Diyos ay legal.
We'll do it all, everything on our own.
When I first saw you, Chinito, madami ka pa nung buhok. Okay, pwede na. Wow, may pa-flowers ka agad. Bouquet. At hala, kasama pa buong family mo sa first date, bongga. Kagulat ako. Pero aminin ko, I was impressed. And from then on, I know I need to try. Happy anniversary, love. I am so happy to have found you, and even happier, we will be spending the rest of our lives together. Wow.
I don't quite know how to say how I feel.
Yun.
My love, you changed my life in the most beautiful ways. You show me the meaning of love. I'm so grateful to have you in my life.
Madami tayong struggles na pinagdaanan bilang LDR tayo. Madaming beses na rin nakamuntik-muntik na tayong maghiwalay. Maraming beses na rin na nag-try kang mag-propose. Pero si ako na laging umiiwas dahil hindi pa ako handa. Thank you kasi you never gave up on me. Salamat kasi nantay mo ako. Now, sa mahabang panahon, I finally realized na hindi ko lang maamin sa sarili ko na hindi ko na pala kayang mawala ka. Hindi ko na nakikita ang sarili ko sa iba. Kaya today, love, I'm ready. I'm ready to say I do.
Heidi, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, buddy.
Before we get too old, show me a garden that's bursting into life. All that I am, all that I ever was, is feeling your perfect eyes. They're all I can see. I don't know where, confused about how it's where. Just know that these things will never change for us at all. Just know that these things will never change for us at all. Just know that these things will never change for us at all.
I promise that I will always be a shoulder to cry and the wife away your tears.
At kaya ko na sabihin sa sarili ko na paninindigan na kita, alagaan at mamahalin. Ngayon, bukas, at sa maraming bukas pa na kasama kita.
And just forget the world.